Can you connect to a local repeater through a hotspot? No. Your little hotspot is like a local repeater. It's a mini repeater, low power repeater. So it acts like a gateway and it acts like a repeater. So it does both things. Repeaters sit there and they repeat out the information. If you have it in duplex mode, then it's operating like a repeater. If you have it in simplex mode, then it's operating just as a gateway. Now, the MMDVM is the gateway that goes to the network. Repeaters use the same thing. They use MMDVMs and other controllers to communicate with the networks as well. So can you connect to a local repeater through a hotspot? You could talk to someone on a local repeater through your hotspot, but you cannot connect your local repeater to a hotspot. No, that is something called MIMO, which would be multi-in, multi-out, allowing for the communication to be rebroadcasted or piggybacked off of another system. Not many radios out there actually have that. I know there is some with the United States military, but other than that, there really is not a real MIMO out there for amateur radio.